up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be installing some tail lights. So let's go grab the parts and I'll see you guys over there. Now we're here, so let's go to the trunk. Bought some HCmotion tail lights. I'm going to get rid of the OEM ones. To get this off, you're going to have a couple clips right here. This one right here. Another one. Another one. I want to get those off. To get this clip off, or all of them, simply just get your tool, put underneath, push up, and they should come out. Now the thing is gonna come out. This is my last one. So these do break occasionally, so try not to break them. You're gonna have two connections right here, and then this one you just need to take off. It should just pull out, I think. It's not connected by anything. I'll figure that one out, let you guys know. But this one, just unclip the connectors, unscrew the bolts, and then push in these two tabs. You want to keep your own bulbs if yours does not come with it. Mine does, just so you guys know. Just pull this connection out, just stick your prying tool and just pry. It should come straight out. To get it out, I simply just use the tool, put it in here, and pushed it out. But you have another tab right here. It's that one right there, and you're gonna need to pry out this side and then this side before you can get it out. This one and this bolt right here. Now, let's install the new one. Let's take off the wrap. Let's install this. Now simply just put the old one in with the new one and it should be good. Now to get the tail light off, you just want to take those two bolts off and you just need to pry. But to get it off, you want to get this off. You can have one clip right here and another clip right up here, just so you can get the tail light off. And then disconnect this connector. And then for these, you only need to plug this one in and this one. You don't need to plug this in. And then here, you can have it sequential or without sequential. I need to figure out which one is which, and I'll let you guys know. But it's all tied in, everything's in. It's not going anywhere. Time to install this one, and then let's check it out. Alright, I just got them on. So you want to keep this on the circle to keep them sequential. But this is them. I think they look pretty good, better than stock for sure. See, has a, if it was turned on, it would just flash yellow, and if you just leave it off, it wouldn't do this animation. Pretty cool. I think these look so much better. Look perfect for the rear. Let me slap on the other ones and then you guys can see the full final result. Here's with the reverse. I think it could be a bit brighter, but it still looks good. Now let's install them fully. This is the finished product of the tail lights. I'll show you guys more in the morning. The cold start and the new tail lights.